Which drummer do you think you're going to be paying homage to in this video?
Let me think about it. John Bonham.
Correct.
Drum solo?
You might be right.
Oh, exploring the space.
At some point, you have to use 4 sticks.
I panic when I see 4 sticks and I can't get 2 sticks in each hand.
Nothing like a drumming game show, hey? I think we're ready to start.
Woo!
We've got another challenge for you. We made you a song, and you're gonna have to come up with a drum part, and there's gonna be some catches along the way. I'm not gonna tell you what those are yet, we're just gonna play you the track. The first thing I'll tell you is you're gonna need a second pair of sticks.
Wow.
So,
wow.
Get ready.
Okay. All right. Oh, we're not done. Drum solo?
You might be right.
Oh, exploring the space here. Whoa.
While Brooks finishes his first listen, you can actually download this track for free over on the Musora app, and you'll also find an exclusive lesson where he teaches you 12 Avenged Sevenfold drum parts. You can practice along with Brooks instead of slowing down and replaying YouTube clips for half your practice session. It's all available for free at the link below, and I hope you check it out.
Some great balls of fire at the end, I hear.
That's right. Which drummer do you think you're going to be paying homage to in this video?
Let me think about it. John Bonham.
Correct.
Okay.
So the whole idea with this video is you're going to get to come up with whatever drum part you want for this.
Okay.
But there's going to be a list of criteria that you have to check off. The criteria that you have to use in your final performance are Bonham triplets.
Okay.
At some point, you have to use 4 sticks, like Bonham did on that track. There's a drum solo. And then the 3 grooves and fills you have to use are the good times, bad times groove, which we're gonna bring in a cowbell for you. You've got to use the rock and roll groove. And you've got to do the Stairway to Heaven guitar solo fill, that big Herta fill with the triplets at the end.
Yeah.
We're gonna bring in that list for you so you can have that to reference.
Cool.
You can come up with whatever part you want. You just have to check off all the stuff on the list.
I got an easier way of doing this.
Try this out and see what happens.
Let's try it.
All right, man. Here it is, take 1. Very nice, man.
I got my notes.
Were you a big Bonham fan growing up?
Oh, sure, yeah. Yeah, Houses of the Holy was my first cassette tape. He had a swing that I could identify with. I think that was the nuance and subtlety in John's playing. Bill Ward has it too, and it just comes from their jazz studies and influences. And that's what, you know, sets the boys apart from the men, to use a masculine analogy. How that guy constructed a solo, and I guess the journey he would take you on, I have definitely been influenced by him as a soloist. What he chooses not to play is as important as what he plays, so definitely a consummate musician.
Dude, that solo is sick.
My other 4 sticks were on the ground.
How you feeling about the arrangement and your parts?
Pretty good.
Nice.
Yeah.
We'll just make sure you're prepped with
Yeah.
more lumber. Why would you recommend people dive into Bonham's drumming and the Zeppelin catalog?
It's pretty much the holy grail for any rock drummer. I think he just plays with such finesse. You know, the biggest misconception, history has shown that Bonham doesn't really play as hard as you think. It was really the room and the drums that he was able to get so much volume out of. So let the drums do the work as opposed to just powerhousing everything. And also with the Zeppelin catalog, there's just so much there. Everything from Houses to the Holy to physical graffiti and through the outdoor, just the evolution of this band. It's more than a rock band. It's really a musician's band. So Bonham always pushed the envelope in the face of musicality.
Dude, your solos just keep like leveling up.
Yeah, I panic when I see 4 sticks and I can't get 2 sticks in each hand. So, I don't know.
I mean, you still did it.
I did it, yeah.
Nothing like a drumming game show, hey?
4 sticks.
4 sticks.
Oh, is that it?
No, wait.
Has everyone sing that?
All right,
Okay.
Here it is, final take.
Okay, let's do it. I really want there to be another note at the end.
That was great, man. You did it.
Okay.
And once again, if you want to download this track, you can do that for free over on Musora. And you can also find a really cool video where Brooks broke down lots of Avenged Sevenfold tracks. You can practice with him and dive into all of those songs over there on Musora. Brooks, thanks so much. Crushed it.
Thank you.
Another one in the bag.
Woo!